Proton Mail for online shopping isn't just about having a secure email. It's about leveraging its features to create a powerful, private, and organized system. And here's how to do it effectively. Number one is the core strategy, which is to compartmentalize with email aliases. The absolute most important practice is to never use your primary Proton Mail address for shopping. Why? Using only one email everywhere creates a single point of failure. If that email is involved in a data breach, every account linked to it is at risk. It also makes it impossible to know which company sold or leaked your email address, leading to spam. So how does Proton Mail help you here? One, all Proton users get at least one at protonmail.me address, but you get more with paid plans. You can use it as a slightly more disguised version of your main address, but it's better used as a base for aliases. So just use custom domains, which is paid. With a paid Proton plan, you can use Mail Plus or higher. You can connect a custom domain, for example, at johndoe.com. You can then create unique random addresses on the fly for every store. For example, Amazon at johndoe.com, Adidas at johndoe.com. All mail arrives in your single secure inbox. Then you can use the ultimate tool, which is simple login integration. Proton owns Simple Login, which is a premier alias service. It's seamlessly integrated. You can generate completely random unique email aliases using it. For example, Amazon at randomword.simplelogin.com. Then that will forward to your main Proton Mail inbox. You can disable or delete aliases instantly. This is the most recommended method as it offers you the best protection for your real email address. Now, benefit of this is that if, for example, Best Buy at youralias.com starts getting spam or is involved in a breach, you know exactly who is responsible. You can simply block that one alias and your primary email and other accounts remain untouched. Second thing you can do is to fortify your logins. The password manager partnership. An email alias is useless if your account password is weak. So every online shopping account must have a unique, strong password. Use a reputable password manager like ProtonPass, Bitwarden, or 1Password when you sign up for a new store. Your password manager will generate a long, complex password and save the login combination. So you get a unique alias plus a unique password. Why does this matter? Because it's to compartmentalize your security. Even if a hacker gets your login for one store from a breach, they cannot use that password to access any other account you own. This is called credential stuffing prevention. Next, you have to manage your inbox like a pro. All these aliases feed into one Proton Mail inbox. Then you need to keep it organized and secure. By using filters, you can create filters automatically label, archive, or sort emails coming to specific aliases. For example, you can create a filter that says if email is sent to Amazon at your alias, automatically apply the label shopping/Amazon. Then you can also use one-click unsubscribe and block. Proton Mail includes easy unsubscribe and block buttons in promotional emails. Use them liberally. Blocking the sender for an alias you only used once is a powerful way to clean your inbox without affecting anything else. The next one is a nuclear option. Disable the alias. If an alias you created via custom domain or simple login is being abused, you don't just block the sender. You can completely disable the alias. This makes it a dead end for all mail forever. Now, you must understand the limits of encryption. It's crucial to understand that Proton Mail protects what is encrypted. The content of emails between Proton Mail users is entered encrypted. The emails that rest in your inbox are encrypted with zero access encryption. What is not encrypted is your order confirmation and shipping notice from stores like Amazon and eBay. They are not end-to-end encrypted. The store sends them in plain text. Proton secures them once they arrive in your mailbox, but they traveled over the internet unencrypted. Don't send highly sensitive information like scans of your ID or password by email to a non-Proton user unless you use Proton's password-protected email feature. In summary, this is the ideal shopping workflow. Find an item to buy. At checkout, generate a new email alias via simple login or your custom domain. Let your password manager generate and save a unique password. Complete the purchase. If you get a spam on that alias, use it to identify the guilty company. Block the sender or disable the alias entirely. This turns your Proton Mail account into a powerful hub for managing your online identity. dramatically reducing spam, increasing your security, and giving you ultimate control over your digital footprint. Hope you found this video helpful.